Today I'm going to slide the motor up and slide the cab up some. And I thought before I got started, it'd probably be a good idea to put some more realistic sized tires on this truck. The tires that were on there is a set of 16-inch rollers. That's some really short, low profile, like 40 series tires on them. It's like a 225/40 or something like that. And so I had these old rally wheels here that got 255/60s on them. I don't know what size tire I'm going to run on this truck. And it's all going to depend on, I don't know what I get a deal on, or I want a classic look, not anything too modern, but I do want a bigger wheel, 16, 17, 18, something like that, just because of tire availability these days at a reasonable price. But I want an old school look. So, but that's neither here nor there yet. We haven't gotten to that point. But like I said, needed to get a tire that fit the wheel well better. So I got these 255s on here, which fit much better. So we're gonna get on unbolting this motor and sliding it up, and then sliding the cab up so we can get everything centered up, and then we'll start all over again. Get the motor placement straight, and then start getting ready to fab up the body mounts. So that's what we're going to do right now. I think I got the wheel straightened up in the wheel opening now. I've slid the engine up. It's got plenty of clearance on this side, and I think if we get everything squared up, it'll have plenty of clearance on both sides. The shifter tower position is almost in the same position as it was from the factory. So I think we're really close to where we need to be. Just got to get everything squared up. I think once we do that, I think our placement will be fine. Then we'll need to put the hood back on and get the core support placement right for the hood to fit right. So when you're doing work like this, it's a lot of fitting, moving, fitting, moving. So if anybody thinks this is going to be a quick job when they go to start on it, they better think pretty hard about it, because it takes a lot of planning, and it takes a bunch of maneuvering and recalculating and all that stuff. So, but we're getting there. I moved the mounts up. Let's see, what is that? 2 inches maybe? 1.75 inches. These were the old holes the mounts were in. I moved them up that far. That's got us that much firewall clearance on this side and lots more on that side. So that's that really helps a lot. Still have plenty of header clearance here. So this is the passenger side. The driver's side is even better. And that takes to where it's not sitting so far back, so I really don't see the need in putting a brace on that 1/4-inch plate. Here it is on the driver's side. That's the hole there, so it might have moved up. 3 inches, I don't know, but it gives us plenty of clearance. I really like that. That helps a lot. I mean, where I had it before, the valve covers wouldn't even bolt on. Like I said, I got the tire pretty centered in the wheel well. If we need to slide up a little bit, we got a little bit of room. And we got some slots in our motor mount adapter plates. These plates right here have slots in them, so that can move a certain amount there too. So I don't think we got any issues with that. Let's look at with the header on it. Here it is with the header on it. I think that's going to be nice. I really don't think that's going to be an issue there. So I'm going to go ahead and get the cherry picker off of here. And let's get the hood back on and see about the front end alignment now. Since I've got the cab moved forward some. And we'll see what we got. The shifter and the emergency brake lever is almost in the exact same spot as it was from the factory. So that really helped out a lot. I'm real pleased with this. Got plenty of clearance for the firewall. Already got my transmission cross member all set up. I'm definitely going to have to do something about the drive shaft, but like I said, I'm not concerned about that right now. We'll get everything rolling for us, the ride height and all that, before we even worry about measuring for the drive shaft. So, just looking good. Very, very pleased. I was telling you guys, as far as the way I can't set the body much lower on the frame, because, well, one, the fenders, but way the truck was pinched, the factory frame was pinched, the fenders fit right up against the frame on either side, and this rocker panel just barely clears the frame. So if I was to try to set it down any further, I'd have to. That's the bottom of the cowl right there, and it's sitting right on the frame. So to set it any further down, I would have to trim the bottom of the cowl, which I don't want to do. I mean, the running board bolts to the bottom of this fender here, so it's going to cover all the frame that's showing. So that's not going to be an issue at all. And that way we're not cutting the cab all up, and we're not going to show anything. I think this is going to be plenty low enough, but like I said, I'll show you some more as we get it all worked out. But it's working out really nice. Well, Jonathan's seat sure does look good in here. And it sits very, very well. So, like I said, it's coming along really nice. So.